everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christiana, and to make my yam and egg, I like to cut and clean my yam and put it in a clean pot of water. Then I had a teaspoon of salt, and I also had a teaspoon of sugar, even though I like my sugar a lot more than my salt. I then cover the pot and allow the yam to boil for a while. So now I start with my egg and I add one onion, one scotch bonnet, and one tomato into vegetable oil and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. Then I had some more dry pepper because I love pepper, and then I had some seasoning and salt. Now it's time to add eggs into the mixture. I continue frying the egg until I am completely satisfied, and I go ahead and check on the yam. With the yam, I use a fork to make sure that the yam is soft and ready to eat. Then when this happens, I drain the yam and then I serve the food. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is how I like my yam and egg. Plain, simple, and delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.